Hello and welcome back to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and I have got the most cozy promotion for you today that coincidentally ends up landing in Marketing Edge's top apparel products of the year. Why do I like it so much? Oh, it's because of the coziness. This is made of 100% flannel material. It is Canada Sportswear's S as in Sam 04500 if you're looking at the men's styling, and the S as in Sam 04501 if you're looking at the ladies' style. Now I mentioned flannel and I mentioned cotton. It is made out of 100% cotton, yet it's flannel. So how does that work, Alex? Let me tell you. What happens is when you're making flannel, you're going to take virgin cotton, you're going to throw it through two cylinders, and those cylinders are actually going to have comb-like appendages that when rolled through are actually going to pull parts of the fiber out and create that fuzziness that you're so accustomed to feeling when you wrap yourself in a beautiful warm blanket or a shawl. Now in this case, Canada Sportswear has done that on both sides of the fabric so that when you wear it, oh, it feels cozy on the inside, and when you touch it, it feels cozy on the outside. I love this piece. And what a lot of people don't realize is the reason that flannel keeps you warm is because of that fabric, that fuzziness that gets pulled out. And what ends up happening is it creates a barrier between that fuzziness and the actual material of the garment. And in that barrier spot, your body heat is actually going to warm up that space, thereby creating more heat for you as you wear the garment. So for those of you that live in cold weather states, cold weather provinces, ooh, this is the shirt for you. I mean, it's cold here in the spring, in the fall, and in the winter, so I love this. Now, it screams outdoors when you see flannel like this. It screams lodges. It screams ski resorts. So if you have customers that are in the great white outdoors, that are working in these types of environments, this could be the absolute perfect company uniform that looks professional and at the same time keeps you warm. And because we work from home sometimes, I love the fact that this one here looks professional, and yet in my basement where it's cool quite often, it'll keep me warm as well. We can decorate it with embroidery, we can put a faux leather patch on it, we can even put a heat transfer on it as well. There's all kinds of ways that we can decorate this. As you can see, it's fully buttoned up from top to bottom. It's got the collar, it's got a left breast pocket on there, and it's even got buttons on the sleeves as well, which I love because when you're getting work done and want to roll those sleeves up, you just unbutton them and away you go. And then last but not least, I love the arced hem at the bottom of this shirt. And the reason I like it is that I prefer to wear my shirts untucked. And when they have the arced hemmed bottom, it looks so much better than that boxy straight cut. So for all of those reasons, this stylish and extremely comfortable piece of clothing has got my vote for an awesome product. Again, the S04500 or 4501 from Canada Sportswear. Hey, I'm Alex from Promonoise. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and know that we'll be coming at you for the rest of the year with tons of new product reviews. So let's keep making beautiful noise together. So long for now.